Hello guys, welcome to Sunshine Coast Best Used Cars. Right here we've got a 2004 VZ Commodore. It's a SV6. It's got the newer engine, which is the Alloy Tech 190 kilowatt engine. It's got 17-inch factory wheels. It's done 80,000 kilometres. It's very clean and tidy, this vehicle. It comes with full service booklets. Quite a nice vehicle inside and out. If you do have any questions regarding this vehicle, please give me a call on 5441 9500. We also have great finance and aftermarket packages. Thank you for watching this video.